Hi, this is just a short video on the difference between editing and formatting your Google Doc. As you can see, I have a Google Doc open here, and I've just basically typed in some text. What you need to differentiate is the difference between editing, which basically means fixing errors, adding text in, changing the actual wording on the screen, while formatting, on the other hand, is about beautifying it and making it look pretty. So here's an example of an edit. Doc, sheets, slides. Maybe I want a comma here, so I click after the word slides, put my comma in. Maybe another thing that I need to do is change some dates. Maybe these dates need to change from 2016 to 2021. Maybe they're going to be in the future. So I highlight and can type over it if I highlight. Or, of course, I just have to line up my cursor and I can add more. I can add a sentence like, if time permits, Gmail and calendar. So adding text in, changing text of all that kind of stuff is what we call editing. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some formatting. Most of your formatting is going to take place up here on this toolbar. This is the font, the size, changing the way the lettering looks, including text color. And over this way, you have things that will deal with whole paragraphs, like where they line up, line spacing, and whether you want bullets or numbering. So I'll just do a few of them. For example, I'll highlight this here, new computer class. Maybe I want to make the font really different. I have some recent fonts in the list, and of course you have a larger list. And you can always look for more fonts by going to more fonts here. So I'll choose this one here, Oswald. Maybe I want it much larger, so I can click here, choose a larger number. Now, if you didn't know, you can also click in this box and type values. So as you can see, 20 is not in the scale there, 22 is not in the scale, but if I type 20, I can press enter afterwards. I can also make it bold if I want, so it's darker and thicker, italic or underline, or I could even change the text color. This is always fun. I love color nowadays. And then you can also change what's called the alignment. Maybe I want it in the middle. That goes over here to this icon. And on your screen, you may actually see all four of these buttons spread out. It's just my monitor resolution doesn't allow it. So I'm going to click here on the center, and it moves it to the middle for me. You should never move it to the middle with the keyboard. That's not the correct way to do it. So that's examples of formatting. Another type of formatting would be, maybe I want to put, I right-clicked. I want to go ahead and put bullets in front of these two paragraphs. So I highlight them. I go up here to this icon, and I can click the arrow if I want to choose my style of bullet, or I can just click on the icon if I want the typical round little dots. So those are examples of formatting and editing within your Google Doc. So have fun with it.